This podcast is brought to you by Enlightening Learners Academic Coaching and Tutoring Services.
In this presentation, we're going to learn to multiply rational numbers. Your focus questions. Just to explain what a rational number is, we're going to use a number line as an example. If we can put a number on a number line, it's a rational number. So that includes any numbers zero, as an example, can be placed on a number line. Any whole positive number can be placed on a number line. Any fraction can be placed on a number line. Any decimal So when we're talking about rational numbers, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about fractions, we're talking about whole numbers, we're talking about compound fractions, improper fractions. Essentially anything that can be placed on a number line is a rational number. All right. The first thing I like to do is evaluate my signs. And to illustrate it, I'm going to use a pyramid. And inside that pyramid, I'm going to put a positive sign, a negative sign, and a negative sign. The reason why I do that is when you're multiplying positives and negatives, if I multiply positive times a negative, I'm going to get a negative. If I multiply a positive times a negative, I'm going to get a negative. If I multiply a negative times a negative, I'm going to get a positive. So in this equation, I've got a positive times a negative. My final answer is going to be a negative. Since we're dealing with fractions, we want to look to reduce whenever we can. 5 can't be simplified to anything. It can't go into any of these numbers. But I do know that 2 can go into 4. So I'm going to reduce that right now. Furthermore, I know that this 2 can go into a negative 8. So my final answer is 1 times negative 4 over 5 times 1. Or negative 4 over 5. That's my final answer.